think. It's okay, right?
It's okay. Mana ibu banyak?
A lot of distractions. Welcome back to SBK Local. We're here in a very loud, crowded amphitheater with all kinds of dancing going on, but that's okay. Hopefully you can hear us. Some atmosphere, some kids running around. Just a warning, the kids in the background is a nice warning for you. If you dance salsa too well, then you might have to make one of those. We're gonna show you 5 exits out of the elbow lock. So what is the elbow lock? This one right here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, just the elbow lock. So we're just gonna do the hand flick. This is the normal one. 1, 2, 3, and a ball passed by. We're playing soccer. The first one, we're gonna just do a head roll. Start off a little simple. When you're going for the double hands turn, you wanna make sure that you're not so wide with your hands. You wanna be here. And this one, you're mostly leading with the left hand and you're just locking this one later. 5, 6, 7. On 7, I'm gonna drop my left hand on my neck. Here, I'm gonna step small to the side. Follower, you can do a little hip roll if you want.
Yeah, I think that for the followers, you need to step to the left and then you're gonna do a hip roll from the left to the right, like this.
Exactly, so when the follower is kind of soft here and you do a head roll, it feels like it's not going to go anywhere. But when the follower puts a little bit of pressure, just pinpoint pressure with your finger, it's very easy to come around and reconnect. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Here, I'm just gonna go for an inside turn. Leaders, making sure that this is locked and tight, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1. Just a simple inside turn. Okay, number 2, we're gonna do a bit of a Copa. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. When you go for a Copa, it's very important to hold onto the follower's shoulder. 1, 2, 3. I often see leaders going like this. It's not wrong necessarily, but I like to stay here and block. And as you can see, my arm, because I don't trust sometimes the follower running, I like to keep a big contact of my arm on her shoulder. So 3, and now I'm gonna send her very lightly with my fingertips. 5, 6, 7. And leaders, making sure that you step 5, 6, 7. Don't just stand there and go like this and make your follower do all the footwork. 1, 2, Copa, and 5, 6, 7. Quick, quick, slow, and quick. Coming back. Okay, number 3, we're gonna send her for a reverse inside turn. 5, 6, 7. The first is gonna be almost similar to the Copa, okay? Okay, to 3. 1, 2, 3. However, instead of sending her back this way, I'm gonna do a hook step, hook, 5, 6, 7. First part is gonna be exactly like the Copa. 1, 2, 3. However, my energy is gonna be going in this direction, and very important, leaders, you wanna do a hook step. 5, 6, and 7. And back. 1, 2, 3, and 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Amazing. I'm gonna admit, first of all, that this 4th one can be a little tricky at the social. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you that warning. Now this is a Copa as well, but my emphasis is gonna be on my right hand. And we're gonna do a bit of a back-to-back. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm gonna be real with you that this can be hard at the social because sometimes the arm is gonna be here and here. So I just always wanna give you that warning. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Leaders. So leaders, it's very important when you're doing a Copa is that, like I said, we need to step. We don't just spin the girl and stand here. Because she's going away, so we need to walk towards her, okay? So one more time. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. The last one is going to be around the world. Check. Follow me. We're gonna go 1, 2, hello kids. 5, 6, 7. Okay, making sure that we have a nice lock. Leaders, we're gonna go behind the follower and wrap. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to lock this down, stepping behind. 5, 6, 7, and check. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Then I'm gonna go for a spin. And then ha, just kidding. You cannot do this move on a total beginner because what's gonna happen is when you're going around her, she's going to go like this and turn back to you. A lot of people who don't take class and just dance at the social, there's lots of followers, lots of leaders who do that. You cannot do this move because they need to know simple rules. And that rule is when the leader is going behind, they're kind of blind and check, like almost like they don't see him. Okay, so remember when you're doing this move, you should do this with someone who clearly has some training, not someone who just social dances. Okay, that's part of the stress of leading is to understand your follower. Okay, we go again. 1, 2, 3. What's up, kids? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're in Vietnam, so I'm gonna count Vietnamese. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And
You did well.
okay, now we're gonna go with some music.